today's video I'm going to be teaching you how you can do your box braids by yourself. If you'd like to know that, then keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe. Click that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to do box braids and box braids by yourself at home. We're going to do it. I'm going to do it by myself, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. You're going to need some little things like a cotton comb. This is what I have. You can use whatever you have. I don't know what you call it in your country. Then you're going to need a comb to comb the hair, then cream. This is so mint. And then of course the attachment. I'm going to be using different colors. So without any further ado, let's get to it. So the braids that we're going to be doing today is called knotless braids. It's called knotless braids, and I'm going to be doing that myself, and I'm going to show you how you can also do it yourself. Although if you don't have basic knowledge of braids, it probably might be difficult for you, but you can still learn. I'm going to have a mirror over here, so if I look over here, I'm sorry, I have to see what I'm doing. So let's just get to it. So I'm going to start from the back. It's going to be box braids, not the round one. Box braids. So I'm just going to cut it. You just cut it any easy way that you can. I'm not going to bring it so small, and so it's going to be medium size, but you can do it whatever length or size you want, however you want it. So I've cut the first line. So I'm just going to get a rubber band and pack the rest so they don't disturb me. Alright, so I'm just going to get the first attach. So this is how we do knotless box braids. I'm going to weave my hair first. I'm going to get the attach down, the size I want, from the smallest to the biggest. I'm just going to put it on my leg, so it will be much easier for me. It's much easier that way. So I've already put the attach on my leg. So the first thing I'm just going to do is to get my comb and comb the hair, and then I'm going to divide it into take one. I'm not making mine so small. I'm sorry if you can't see the back. When I get to the front, you see how I'm doing it. So I'm just going to take one here, and then instead of starting with the attachment, I'm going to start with my hair itself. So I'm just going to kind of braid my hair a little, just a little, braid it like that, and then I'm going to take attachments a little and then add it. This will be a bit difficult for you if you don't have the basic knowledge of braiding, so I would probably advise you, if you don't have basic knowledge, to let someone do your hair, because it's gonna be a disaster. Oh yeah, have you checked out my previous videos? Please make sure to do so if you haven't. I really appreciate it. We had our first episode of the Fun Friday show. If you haven't watched it, then please make sure to watch it. I really appreciate it. And also please make sure to subscribe to this channel. So I'm just going to get more. You just keep adding it like that till you get the desired size that you want. So when you get the size you want, you keep checking it. Of course, you definitely have a mirror in front of you. So you keep checking it till it has gotten to the desired size. And then you start braiding it down. So you just take it through your other hand and you braid it down. So I'm done braiding it. This is the first one. So this is how you just do it throughout. You just cut another one. You do it like this till you're done. But when I get to the front, I'm going to show you how, because as you're getting up, getting higher in the hair, it gets even more difficult. So I'm just going to show you the techniques. Although it's going to require a lot of muscle, bone bending. It be like this, it be like this. But as far as it will give you a good, nice hair, it's important. And it's also important also to know, always know how to braid your hair yourself, because there are sometimes you'll be broke. There are sometimes, okay, look at now that there's lockdown all over the country, all over the world. You can't, you can't even, like, who would even want to go near like a stylist that, you know, you are too close? That's not social distancing and all that. So it's important to even know how to braid your hair yourself. Most of the time I do it myself when I'm broke, when I just feel like, and I do it well. Sometimes I even do it even better than if someone would do it on my hair. So it's important to know how to do your hair. So I'm just going to continue like this. You can also try it as you're watching. Just continue till you get up. Well, welcome back, guys. I'm so sorry about the sun. I started braiding my hair in the in the morning, so this is afternoon. So I think I picked up my cotton comb. So I'm just gesturing to tell you that you should divide the hair into two equal parts, starting from the center of your head, which you can measure with your nose. Yep. So we've already cut that, so I'm just cutting it again into box, because obviously we are doing box braids. So guys, I've already cut it. I don't know what I was doing there. So I've already cut it. I'm starting, like I said before, you won't be able to see the back, so that's why I decided to also film the front. So I'm just combing the hair, comb as usual. I don't know why I did that. Actually, I kind of looked weird doing that clapping of a thing. So I'm just weaving the hair. Like I said before, you start by weaving your natural hair so that it will look natural. That's why it's called knotless braids. Guys, I'm so sorry for that noise. That was my phone. I forgot to put off the data, so messages were coming in. All right, so I put the first attachment. Like I said before, it's going to be, you're going to start with a little, just small, because you want it to be natural. Yeah. And then as you're proceeding or progressing, you start increasing like that. That's how. You don't just want to glob like one big, okay fine, you, because you're doing box braids that's very big jumbo, and you just glob like the big attachment like that once. No, you start from small, so it looks natural, it looks like it's your hair, and then it flows into the big attachment. Yeah, so that's it. So as you can see, I just did it, and I'm completing the mouth. Is it mouth I'll call it, or yeah, I'm just finishing it. Yay, I'm here again. I don't know if you can notice the difference. Like, my face looks better than money than how it was before. Yeah, that's it. So I'm just combing out the front. I'm combing out the front to in preparation, and just the normal drill. You know how it is now. You just weave your hair, then you add the attachment. How you add the attachment, I forgot to tell you, is I don't know if you know Ghana weaving, normal Ghana weaving, but the kind that hides the crossing. You know, normal Ghana weaving, it shows the crossing, but the kind that hides the crossing. I probably would do another tutorial on that, because that's like a topic on its own. So if you'd like me to do a tutorial on that, let me know in the comment section below. Like, guys, I don't know if you can notice like the shape of my hand and my head and everything. Like, there's no way you're going to do this that your hands, your neck, your head is not going to pain you, but at least it's worth it. So guys, this is the finished look. I really loved how the hair turned out. Very, very nice.